When you think about money.com content marketing software, you got to think about scalability, you got to think about efficiency, and you got to think about granularity. Those are the three things that we really appreciate after reviewing money.com content marketing platform slash software. But I want to go a little more granular. I want to really explain everything to you so you have a clear idea what you're getting yourself into if you wanted to say you want to buy, you want to subscribe to money.com content marketing software. So let me give you an overview because I really want to lay a clear picture to you so you have a better idea of what we're speaking about. So money.com is a cloud-based work management platform that many businesses and teams worldwide use to automate workflows and manage projects, tasks, and resources in one place. So a lot of folks remember money.com, or at least think of money.com as a project management tool, but it's more than that, definitely more than that. And so the platform, the money.com platform, initially started as a work collaboration platform, but it's now used for all kinds of workflows, including project management, customer relationship management, software development, human resources, and more. So this is really kind of cool. Okay, so money.com is best suited for, let's say, if you're looking for, like, if you are a small business, you'll love it. If you're a medium-sized business, you'll love it. If you're a large enterprise, you will love it too. But in our view, money.com is primarily great for small businesses, startups, and medium-sized businesses, because here you have, like, money.com is highly visual, agile, scalable, and affordable. Okay, it has proven to adapt to a wide variety of use cases and organizational structures. So the cool thing is that you actually can, like, if you want to base, let's say, the analysis on company size, not a problem. Money.com is the perfect solution for businesses of all sizes. And in small businesses, the owner or team manager often uses the platform. However, in medium to large organizations, the platform is used by dedicated project managers, product managers, portfolio managers, directors, and others responsible for cross-functional tasks. And in terms of the industry, if you want to base the analysis on the industry, money.com meets the needs of all industries, including private, public, nonprofit, and government. Depending on the team, all kinds of teams will love money.com. So, and in terms of setting up money.com, is very easy, very easy. You can actually get help from your friend at money.com support. They will really will work with you. And so overall, when you think about money.com content marketing software, this is part of the CRM, the client relationship management, and software. This is kind of cool. I want to quickly talk about the pros and cons of money.com content marketing software here. So what's really great? What are the pros here? The thing is here is that when you think about money.com, you think about the fact that it is primarily a project management tool. This is just fantastic. Why? It just means that the activities are allocated properly. It means that they are monitored properly. It means that they are accounted for, right? So you can actually parlay the project management functionalities onto the content marketing side of things. This is really good. So you have clarity of purpose in terms of the tasks, accountability, and the monitoring. This is really good. And so what we love about money.com is that it's basically a spreadsheets on steroids, because you have the ability, like, you can add items, rows for each task or project, and then add columns to hold details. So this is really good in terms of granularity. This is really fantastic in terms of I would say in terms of efficiency too. So you have some cool columns that you can add. You have tons of views. This is really good. This is what we love about money.com, is that visually it's really appealing. Okay, you also have automation. Oh yeah, you have automations like crazy. This is really fantastic. You have a great marketplace. So basically you can browse the marketplace full of free templates for boards for all different purposes, from marketing plans to software builds to content calendars. You can actually build and save your own templates. Fantastic. And you can also import data. So this is really good. So those are really the pros, right? So when we think about money.com content marketing review, of course we have to also look at the cons, right? So the thing is that sometimes their pricing models is really non-transparent. In some cases, it's just not clear. If they're trying to really explain to you what their prices are, you kind of get confused, okay? And we also don't like the fact that money.com actually sometimes has problems scaling. So if your business is scaling, it will be nice to have a tool that actually can scale with you. And money.com, as of the date of this show, it doesn't have the capabilities that will help you actually scale. And so you also have money.doc, not money.doc, but money docs. Okay. And so this is a tool is constantly being revamped. It's not where it should be yet. Okay. They're trying to do a Google Docs or Microsoft Office. They're not really there yet. And money.com can be I would say a steep learning curve also. So it's a huge platform. Just make sure that you are comfortable with the specific niche you want to focus on. I want to really go a little deeper in terms of the review here. So when we talk about money.com, what are we talking about? Because it's one of those things, as I said, the platform is huge, but we are going to slice and dice it in a very easily digestible manner for you, right? So what are the most important features that you can expect if you go with money.com content marketing software? Okay, so you have a custom dashboard, you have quick collaboration, you have project automation. So everything about content marketing, all those projects can be automated. You have easy to use templates. You have clear insights. You have integrations. You have customer support, and you have an app marketplace. Let me quickly go into the details here. So when we talk about money.com from a content marketing perspective, we love the fact that you have a custom dashboard from where you can actually I would say pilot all your content marketing activities. Okay. And the cool thing is you can track progress, you can create timelines, you can schedule within minutes. You can also quickly review reports from summary to detail. So as I was telling you before, granularity is an important element, and the money.com attaches a clear, I would say, significance to the dashboard centralization element. You have quick collaboration, so you can use money.com to assign and prioritize tasks, share files, and keep track of who's doing what, especially when it comes to content marketing. And custom dashboards make collaboration easier and keep everyone working towards a common goal. Okay. And you have project automation. I mean, obviously, money.com originally is a project management tool. So they actually are parlaying their skills in that field into the content marketing arena. Okay. And you have easy to use templates, really, really fantastic. You have clear insights into your content marketing calendars and goals. You have integrations to tools as varied as Basecamp, Trello, Jira, Microsoft Teams, Todoist, Asana, and more. Okay, and you can connect everything you need for your unified communication strategy and workflow. You have Gmail, Google Drive, Facebook, Slack, Mailchimp, Dropbox, and what have you. So this is kind of cool. Yeah, the money.com support team is available 24/7, and you can access them via a simple contact form within the tool, or you can just drop files such as screenshots or short videos. So again, here, fantastic. Okay. Let me quickly talk to you about the approach here. So how do you actually use money.com for content marketing project management needs in your B2B company? It can be in your B2C company too, but what we have tested is that it's just a lot more efficient if you use a B2B model, because the B2C models are sometimes they can be like the level of granularity can be too much. So one thing you need to understand here is that you can use money.com content marketing software to brainstorm content ideas. And we're speaking about what? We're speaking about researching keywords, using analytics, creating marketing personas, and most importantly, accepting internal requests for content ideas. So again, speaking about granularity, this is really good. So besides brainstorming content ideas, you can set up your content calendar, right? So the cool thing is if you're running a content marketing show, a content marketing activity or timeline, you want to create a perfect calendar for your activity, and you just use money.com's editorial content calendar. It's called editorial content calendar. Okay. And it really acts as a content marketing tool for B2B organizations, making it very easy to plan, organize, and track your content marketing efforts in one place. So all you have to do is enter all your content ideas into an editorial calendar that reflects your publishing schedule. Just make sure that everything is in sync though. And what happens here is that once you do that, the publication date becomes the deadline for all parts of content creation. So you can brainstorm content ideas, you can set up your content calendar, you can create a content policy again. So when we talk about money.com content marketing review, we're speaking about a series of tasks that really will help you understand what money.com can really do. So you can establish a content creation process also. This is really cool because this really help you, for example, accelerate your content publication process. Your content must go through several stages before clicking the post button, right? For example, if you're writing a blog post, you can't write the first draft or publish it. I mean, the first draft and just publish it, right? The content creation process includes research, writing, editing, design, creatives, and approvals. And this process can help you create top-notch content and even rank in the SERPs. So build workflows on a content marketing tool for B2B like money.com to actually keep your content creation process running smoothly. And what will happen here is that with multiple content creation templates, visually track the status of each content stage, even across multiple channels and formats. So this is really good. It's really good. Let's talk about pricing here. The thing is, the money.com is relatively cheap. It has 5 different plans for its users. So you have individual, basic, standard, pro, and enterprise. And so money.com starts you around $20 to $30 per month for 3 users and increases from there depending on the plan you choose and the size of your team. If you have, let's say, more than 40 users, you can request a quote to get an exact price. So let's quickly talk about the how much money.com is going to cost you, right? So you have the individual plan. So here you have up to 3 boards, unlimited docs, 200 plus templates, over 20 column types, up to 2 team members, and you have iOS and Android apps. So this is kind of cool. Then you have the basic plan. So this actually will start you around $10 to $15 per seat per month. For a team of 5 members, it costs about $40 to $50 to $60 a month, and this is billed annually. The basic purpose of this plan is to provide functionality that helps manage teamwork in one place. It includes features such as individual plan features, unlimited free viewers, unlimited items, 5 GB file storage, prioritized customer support, and dashboard one board. Then you have the standard plan. So this will actually, this is great for a team of 5 members, and this will cost you about $50 to $60 to $75 per month, billed annually. And so this plan is really beneficial for collaboration. And if you want to let's say we want to collaborate and optimize your team's processes. So this is kind of cool because here you have features such as basic plan features, you have timeline and Gantt views, you have calendar views, you have guest access, automation, you have integrations, fantastic. And you have a dashboard that gives you up to 5 boards. Then you have the pro plan. The pro plan is kind of cool because it really goes a little above the standard plan. So this plan will help you streamline and execute your team's complex workflows. And it has workflows such as standard plan feature, private boards and docs, chart view, time tracking, formula column, dependency column, integrations, and automation. So this is really good. When we're talking about automation, we're speaking about 25,000 actions per month. For integration, we also talk about 25,000 actions per month. For the enterprise plan, this is great for large organizations that need enterprise level features. So here you have all the pro plan features. You have enterprise scale, automation and integrations. You have enterprise grade security, compliance and governance. Okay, you have advanced reporting and reporting and analytics, multi-level permissions, tailored onboarding, premium support, and for the dashboard, you have up to 50 boards. So this is really good. Let's talk about the value added here. One thing I want to say here is that, again, if you want to, just speaking quickly about the pricing thing, if you want to actually save money on money.com pricing, just choose an annual plan. Use discounts whenever possible. You have a nonprofit discount, you have startup discount, you have a referral discount. So this will really be great for you. So when we talk about money.com, there is a smorgasbord of products, because as I said, money.com is a universe, is a technological ecosystem. And so the content marketing part of money.com is just one facet. Okay, so you have money work management, you have money sales CRM. So the sales CRM is part of it's actually, okay, when we talk about money.com content marketing, that functionality actually overlaps two I would say 2 modules. You have the money sales CRM, then you have Monday marketer. Okay, and then you also have a Monday projects, you have Monday dev, You also, and so those are the six that I want to quickly talk to you about. So, but you are really interested. You should you should interest yourself in money sales CRM. So here is a platform that allows you to that has endless customization options. You can add in as many columns as you want and manage multiple pipelines at once. And the platform also helps you save time by automating the sales process, automatically assigning leads to sales reps, set reminders for upcoming activities, get notified when prospects open emails, and more. And so content marketers can use sales CRM to gather customer sentiments about certain products or services, demographic data, and other specific audience characteristics to create more effective, well-targeted content. In terms of money the marketer, money.com provides a platform for marketing and creatives to manage their initiatives in one place. So monitoring all ongoing campaigns in one place facilitates strategic decision making around business goals. Plus, you can update your team on top performing keywords, campaign deadlines, and final approval. So it's kind of cool. And so with the autonomy to launch Google Ads search campaigns directly from the platform and easily manage, track, and optimize your marketing efforts in real time, this app is a treasure trove in our view for marketing and creative teams. So this is kind of cool. So with Monday Marketer, content marketers can create a central hub to collect ideas, schedule content, assign tasks, monitor the progress of each stage of development, and manage reviews and approval. So this is really good. Let's talk about the rivals here because Money.com is not the only player in this field. So they have rivals that really, I mean, I wouldn't say rivals galore, but some of those players are also really big. So you have Trello, for example. You have Asana. You have Rike. You have Microsoft Projects. Let's quickly talk about those four. So when we talk about Trello, Trello is basically a drag and drop task management platform for beginners and experienced professionals alike. And so this is one of the best Kanban-based software options for managing personal and professional projects. So Trello actually offers a free plan loaded with powerful features, and its higher plans are popular with medium and large businesses. And so in our view, Money.com is more complicated than Trello when it comes to content marketing software. And so one thing I want to say here is that let's talk about Asana. So Asana offers project management tools that are easy to use as they are beautiful to look at. And so Asana offers a free plan for up to 15 users, while Money.com only provides a free plan for up to 2 users. So best of all, Asana offers 30-day free trial, while Money.com only has a 14-day free trial. So it is what it is. What about Rike? So Rike has actually become a popular project management platform due to its easy to navigate and work user interface. The best part is its powerful automation features. You can capture requirements, create plans, allocate resources, and get stakeholder sign off with a sign click. This is really with a single click rather. It's really good. And what about Microsoft Project? Another great tool also. I mean, when you think about Microsoft Project, I want you to think about a powerful project management tool that you can use it only if you are a big company. It is really better suited for large companies and project management professionals. Additionally, Microsoft Project has a steep learning curve and requires proper training to explore all of its capabilities. However, Microsoft Project supports 20 languages, while Money.com supports only 13. And we also love the fact that Money.com is constantly improving, and this is really that's really backed up by a large enterprise, Microsoft. So this is really good. So when we talk about Money.com, what are our final thoughts? This is a great tool. Great tool. We definitely recommend. They have you have a lot of stuff. You have no matter like if you're a small business or a startup or mid-sized business, go with Money.com. It is packed with powerful features, 24/7 support, and product availability. Okay, so it's a great work management tool for your content marketing efforts.